Want to know the secret to drawing eyes like this? It's not what you think. This eye sclera is not spherical. This eye's pupil is colorless. This eye, there are no eyelashes. I have 18 specific tools I use for hyper-realism today. While having the right gears, the technique is what matters. Beginners, all you really need is a basic sketching pencil, an eraser, and some paper to follow along with the core lesson. Okay, let's start drawing. First, we're going to block out the basic almond shape of the eye. Don't press too hard. These are just guide marks. Most beginners draw the iris as a full circle, but that's what makes it look unrealistic. Next, the structure. Remember, the eyeball is a sphere, not flat like a sticker. The lights wrap around that sphere, so add a bit of thickness to them. Okay, we laid down our basic outline and established our light source, but the next part is where we elevate the whole drawing. Now for my secret for drawing realistic eyes, a psychological trick to see shapes differently. Most beginners draw what they know, but that's a shortcut your brain takes that kills realism. The secret isn't what you draw, but how you see it. We're going to trick your brain into forgetting it's drawing an eye by seeing it as a collection of abstract shapes and tones instead. Examine the reference photo. The brain may identify an eye. Instead, focus on a large, dark, slightly curved teardrop shape for the pupil. Also, note a long, soft-edged triangle of shadow from the top highlight. Begin by drawing these abstract shapes, not the eye itself. Ignoring the none, the white of the eye. The brain knows the white of the eye is white. In reality, it is never a pure flat white. It is in shadow, reflects colors, and it has veins. Lightly shading this area adds realism and depth because the drawing represents what is seen, not what is known. Next, the value map. Simplify everything by squinting at the reference photo. Only big blocks of light and shadow will be visible, not fine details. Use that mental trick to create a value map first before adding any detail. Laying down these big shapes of tone will build a solid foundation. Next, shading and depth. As we move to the pupil, don't just draw a single dot. Look closely at the reference photo from Unsplash. See that shape? It's like a little apartment window, a soft vertical rectangle of light. That shape is crucial for capturing the unique catch light in this specific portrait. The contrast is key. The darker the pupil and shadow, the more the highlights will pop. Make sure to leave the highlight area completely white for maximum effect. If you're finding these shading tips helpful so far, please take a second to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and I have tons more tutorials planned. The top of the iris is darker due to the shadow cast by the upper eyelid. Next, texture and detail. They curve outwards and are often irregular with some clumps. Eyelashes aren't a perfect fence. They come out in different directions. Focus on the shape and curve, not on making them all perfectly uniform. Next, final touches. And just like that, with a few final touches, you've gone from a simple outline to a truly realistic eye. Remember, the key is observing and trusting the process. I hope you found these techniques helpful for your own portrait work. If you want to keep improving your drawing skills and catch all our future tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. We release new lessons every week.